Alright, welcome back to Digg's Fire. We've gone ahead and released 3.4 Steam, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to do it. This is on the Fire Stick, and you can do this pretty much the same way on any Android device. Going into apps, and we're going to clear your data and your cache. And also on the new build, we've gone ahead and put the fresh start on there so to make it a little bit easier next time. So you're clearing your data, clear your cache. Once you've got that done, click force stop once, launch your app. Alright, once it comes up, I'm going to come up here to the top, click your settings, which is the gear, all the way to the right, system settings. Now if I'm going too fast, pause it or rewind it as you need. Add-ons, you're going to come right here, click both of these, clicking yes right here, back, going in right here, add source. This is going to pop up. We're not using 17.4. I know it says stable, but there are a few issues with it, so just stay with 17.3. Now let's see. You're going to put this address in exactly like you see it. Now I know that most of you probably don't type it in as fast, but like I said, just pause and come back to it once you've got it in there. Alright, this is exactly how you need. Oh shit, see, I screwed up. Make sure you put it in there exactly. If you do mess something up, you can come over here and hit your buttons. See, I didn't add a D in there. Alright, there we go. This is exactly how it's supposed to be. http://diggdaddy.us/Steam, STEAM. Pause it, put it in there, and then click your OK. Once you've got that, go ahead and click your Steam or under Steam. It's going to bring you right here. You're hitting your back button, and you're going to come down to add-ons. Now, this is the estuary skin. If you've got 17.2, you're doing the same steps. It's just going to look a little bit different. Add-ons. Now when you go right here, that's your add-on browser. You're going to go install from zip. Coming down to Steam, clicking there. You're going to see these. I'm going to go ahead and delete 3.3 out of there, and it's just going to be this one. 3.4, clicking it. And it's going to pop up here in a second. Once it pops up, you'll know that it's been put in there. Then you can hit your back button, and everything's on the front. Go ahead and click right here on Steam. Come over, click there, and it's going to download. Now we'll come back to it when it's finished downloading and extracting. Alright, it's doing downloading right now. Once it finishes downloading, then it's going to flip to extracting. And it's going to take everything it downloaded and extract it into the files. We'll wait for that to be done. Alright, we're done. Now this is going to pop up. You're going to come over here to close. Click the close button. Once this pops up, on your home button, hit your home button on your remote. Once you do that, then bring you back here where you first started. Come over to settings. Drop down, applications. Manage installed applications. Dig Fire, click there, click force stop. Pop. It's going to look like you didn't do anything, but you did. Go ahead and launch your application. It's going to spool up for the new Digg's Fire. This is your Steam version 3.4. You'll see it in the top corner. And it should be coming up now. Let me get everything loaded in. And there we go. Alright, we've got this sectioned off again. Sports. Got 3 of the sports things. Now, it's going to look like you don't have a lot of sports options. The reason being is over here in your add-on packs 1 and 2. These are all apps that have sports inside of them. Banu has them, which is the old Phoenix, which is now Banu. Bob Unleashed, Goodfellas, Quantum, Supremacy, UK Turks. All of these have sports and live sports in them. That's why you only have 3 on the main list. Add-on packs again, same thing. These have tons and tons of options in there. Take advantage of these sticks how I build them. They've got really awesome stuff. The cool stuff section, Vortex of course, Back in Time, Red Pill's your documentary. This is box set movies separated by genres. Bucky's Movies, Super Box. All of these are really, really cool. I'm not going to get into them right now because they take a while to explain and everything else, but try them out. That's what they're there for. Kids, obviously, that's right there for the kids. And if you look up top, it's going to show you that it's clearing cache and clearing packages for you. Anytime you shut it down and restart it, it's going to do that for you instead of you manually have to go through there. There's your sports, music. You've got some music add-ons. Now Music, Alive. All these right here will do music and music videos. Your program section. This is where I was saying I put the fresh start in there. So when you want to redo it, this is where you're going to go. And in the next video, whenever I do the next 3.5, I'll show you how to utilize that. Your quick config, that's to optimize your system to your internet. Whenever you click on it, it's going to bring this up. It's already set. Everything's set to exactly how you want it, but would need it. You're just going to click Write File and you're done. That's all you have to do. You're doing that one time. Stream is your streaming section. There's Gears TV right there. The Mayfair Guide is actually inside Gears TV too, so you don't have to have a separate add-on for that. System area, don't really mess with it if you're not sure what you're doing, but again, erase all and delete drive all your adult add-ons. I've got erotics and white cream section in there. So this is set up like that so no one will automatically click on it or anything like that, but these are adult add-ons. TV and movie section, Covenant, Elysium. We fixed a lot of the issues that we've had with them. Let's see. You Gotta See is really, really good, which is basically another version of Covenant. Gerzel, another version of Covenant. Poseidon is like M4U. DeLorean, all of these are really, really good. The reason why we have so many, again, is so if one thing isn't working, try the rest. You've literally got about 40 different ways to watch the TV show or movie that you're looking for. If it's not on one, it's going to be on the other, but chances are it's going to be on all of them. Add-on packs again, cool stuff. Also, we had a question on whenever you change something. If you change anything, if you change any of your add-ons or you want to change the font because you don't like the font, after you change something, you drop down here, you click on this button right here, and you exit right here. Once you exit there, it's going to take a minute, but what that's doing is actually saving what you've changed. That way when you open it up back again, it's going to be there for you again. Now inside some of your TV and movie sections, right here, if you've got a tracked account, it's going to be, you can go ahead and put your information in there and it'll save what you've watched and keep track of your movies and TV shows. That way whenever you do the update, you just hook your tracked account back up to it and then you redo it again. You can go to trakt.tv, I believe, but just Google it, it'll come up. And then you go ahead and put it in there. Again, this is 3.4. Enjoy. I hope y'all really like it. I did a lot of work to this thing. Hopefully everything's great and everybody enjoys it. Thanks for choosing Diggs Fire.